Today I'm sharing one of the simplest salmon recipes out there. It's so easy, I prepare this almost every week. So you need about 300 grams of salmon fillet for 2 people. Make as much as you need, and for each fillet you need 2 to 3 shallots, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of fresh coriander leaves. Also for each fillet, add 1 teaspoon of mild chili pepper powder, 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of tandoori spice mix, and salt to taste. Add the lemon juice over, give it a gentle rub, and I like to bake this with potatoes. We're using 3 potatoes cut into chunks. Don't make them too big, you want them to cook through along with the salmon. Don't forget to add a little bit of salt as well as the tandoori spice mix over the potatoes as well. You could also toss them separately and add them to the baking dish. Next, we're going to finely chop the shallots and the garlic. Press this over the salmon fillet gently. Drizzle some olive oil over the salmon as well as the potatoes. Add the chopped fresh coriander leaves over the top, and don't forget to add a little bit more lemon juice over the potatoes. Pop this into a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius till the salmon and the potatoes are cooked. And while the salmon is baking, I'm going to be boiling some corn here. Just boil it till it's cooked. And we can make the simple salad next. Mix salad leaves that have been rinsed and just add whatever you have. I'm adding cherry tomatoes halved, a little bit of chopped shallots, some carrot and cucumber diced, some pitted black olives halved, some lemon juice, you can add salt if needed, some olive oil, you can add a little bit of that tandoori spice mix, this is optional, as well as some maple syrup for a bit of sweetness, some chili pepper flakes, and you can really add anything you like. You can add nuts if you like. And our salmon is ready. I actually popped it under the broiler for an extra 5 minutes just to get that golden top. Comment down below if you're like me and you like your salmon a bit more cooked than usual. So I checked on one of those potatoes, they're perfectly cooked, and we're going to baste with the oils that have collected on the bottom. And now we can serve the salmon with the roasted potatoes, the simple salad, and the corn. This is one of those meals I make on days when I don't really feel like elaborate cooking. I tend to do a lot of house cleaning on Tuesdays, and usually this recipe fits in with my cleaning days. I hope you enjoyed this quick video recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Do let me know in the comments section what kind of recipes you'd like, and I'll see you next time. Bye.